Hello, marhaba. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the adjectives in Arabic feminine. So the standard way of having any adjective in Arabic is the masculine way, and then we will add one letter, just one cute letter at the end of it to make it feminine. We had in our previous lessons, in our previous videos, we had two adjectives. The first is talkative and the second is cute. Talkative, cute. So we will have them in both ways, in the standard and in the spoken Arabic. So the first one is talkative. Talkative in the standard is tharthar. In the spoken it's sarsar. And both of them are masculine. To make them feminine, we will have to add the sound a at the end of it to make it feminine. So tharthar in the standard Arabic would be tharthara, and sarsar in the spoken Arabic would be sarsara. Tharthara, sarsara. These are the feminine version of the adjective. The second adjective we had is the cute. So cute is, in the standard Arabic it's ظريف, and in the spoken it's ظريف. So as I told you before, you have to add the a sound at the end of it to make it feminine. So it would be, in the standard, ظريفة, and in the spoken it would be ظريفة. And that's it. This is all for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you later in next videos. Bye bye.